హరి ఓం నమో నమః అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. టుడే ఈజ్ ద 8th day of our classes on Sanskritam learning, and we have 3 more classes, 10th, 9th, 10th and 11th during next week. After that we are going to have a practice exam on Sanskritam learning. We'll start the session with Vande Mataram by Challa Chittibabu garu. Challa Chittibabu garu.
వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం సుజలాం సుఫలాం మలయజ శీతలాం సస్యశ్యామలాం మాతరం వందే మాతరం శుభ్రజ్యోత్స్నా పులకితయామినీ పుల్లకుసుమితా ద్రుమదళ శోభినీ సుహాసినీ సుమధుర భాషిణీ సుఖదాం వరదాం మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం
వందే మాతరం. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు. Now let us request Jayashree garu to chant Prarthana, please.
First meditation for 1 minute. Sit properly, sit back straight, close your eyes, concentrate on your breath. Three times Omkaram. गणानां त्वां गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आन शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवत्पितृवतु। ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरुवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरो मां पाहि गुरो। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః
ధన్యవాదములండి జయశ్రీ గారు.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుగారు.
Thank you. Now let us request our Guruji, Akalli Hemakanta Prabhakar Rao garu, to start the webinar, please.
हरि ओम धन्यवादः स्वागतम् So yesterday we have completed up to this Vyavaharika Shabdas in 4th lesson. Vyavaharika Shabdas on the Sharira Avayavaha, Samanyaha, normally what we are using. These things have been studied yesterday. And today we'll start with Prahelika. Purushaha Idrisho Veti Prayena Sakalaha Kalaha. Purushaha Purushudu Kidrishaha Evidang. Purushaha Purushudu Kidrishaha how Veti will be known. With what? Sakala Kalaha Prayena. Knowing the knowledge of all the kalas. A person who has got, who does one call a person who is well versed in all branches of learning. A person who is having knowledge to live in a nagaram, he needs a lot of variety of subjects. He should know how to know traffic, how to live with the people, handling with all the different people, going to by bus, going by train, going by plane. All these things will be knowing. Whereas a person who is in village may not be knowing all that knowledge. So the person who is living in nagaram has got a name. What is that? Purushaha Idrishaha Veti Prayena Sakala Kalaha. So how we know that person? What name we call him? Majja Varna Dvayam. Majja. For that padam, what name we call that person? For that Majja Varna Dvayam. Chaktva. Chaktva means leave it. Leave two letters in that word. In that word, two letters in between. Majja Varna Dvayam. Majja means middle. Varna means syllables. Dvayam means two. Leave two syllables in between. Chatva, leave. Bruhi kaha syat suralayaha. Bruhi means get the knowledge that probably that is syat, perhaps the name of Suralayaha. Sura Alayaha. Sura means Devatas. Alayaha means Mandiram. So what is Devata Mandiram or Bhavanam? Sura Alayaha, Sura Bhavanam, Sura Devata Bhavanam. So what is Devata Bhavan? Where Devatas live? Suralaya. What is the name of Suralaya? What is the other name of Suralaya? That will be the, when you leave these two varnas in between, the remaining letters give that meaning. That is the more understanding of Prahalika. Purushaha Kidrishaha Veti. Kidrisho Veti is there, but actually that is because of Sandhi it has become like that. Purushaha Kidrishaha Veti Prayena Sakalaha Kalaha Madhyavarnadvayam Chatva Bruhi Kaha Syat Sura Alayaha Suralayaha. Anybody can tell? What is the person's name who lives in Nagaram? Nagarikaha. It is called Nagarikaha. If you know in between words, what are the letters in between out of Nagarikaha? Ga and Ri. So what are left out? Na Kaha. Nakaha. What is the meaning of Nakaha? Swargam. Suralayas, Devatas stay in Swargam. Nakaha means Swargam. So what is the word now of first line? Nagarikaha. That is the answer of this Prahalika. Nagarikaha. Next. Sangraha Vishayaha on Shiva. Shivaha. Haraha, the other name of Shiva is Haraha. Haraha Papani Haratat. He will remove the papas. All sins he will remove. Haraha Papani Haratat. Shivo Dattam Sada Shivam. Shivaha. Shivo is not Shivo, Shivaha. Because of Sandhi it has become like that. Shivaha Dattam, he will give. What he will give? Sada, always. Shivam, Shanti. He will give Shanti always. He removes all your sins. Haraha Papani Haratat. Shivaha Dattam Sada Shivam. Always he gives the Prashanti to you. So, Na Janami iti. Na Janami iti. Na Janami iti. No Bruyat. Sarvagna Padabhaga Yataha. Na Janami iti. Na Janami iti. Naha Bruyat. Naha Tanu Atadu, that man, that Shiva cannot say Na Janami, I don't know. I don't know who are you. He will not say that. Why? Sarvagnaha. He knows everything. He has got a name, Padabhaga. He has got a name, he is known like this. Yataha, Anduvala. Endukalandi Yataha ante because Saha Sarvagna Padabhaga. He is known that he knows everything. Because since he knows everything, he cannot say, I don't know your problems. He will remove all your sins and he will give Prashanti to you. He cannot say, I don't know your problems. When? When he will say that? When you surrender to him. So, once you surrender, what you are supposed to do? Surrender to him. He will remove all your problems and give Prashanti to you. My Lord Shiva, remove the sins. May Lord Shiva bestows auspicious on us always. Lord Shiva cannot tell that he does not know anything about the devotee because he is all knowing, omniscient. He is a all-pervading, all-omniscient deity. That's why. Haraha Papani. Please read along with me. Haraha Papani Bani
Bani
Aratat.
Aratat.
Yo Daktam Sada Shivam. Na Janamiti No Bruyat Sarvagna Padabhag Yataha. Next. Asannaya. Asannaya. Suduraya. Guptaya. Prakatatmane. Sulabhaya. Atidurgaya. Sulabhaya Atidurgaya. Namaschitraya. 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 Shambhave. So, Asannaya, Suduraya, Guptaya, Prakatatmane. Sulabhaya, Atidurgaya, Namaschitraya, Shambhave. My obsence to such a wonderful God Shambhu, who is sometimes nearby, sometimes far away, sometimes hidden, and sometimes appears physically. He is early attainable by some, and for some he is hardly attainable. So he has got, he appears as though he is very nearby to you. Atma is your Paramatma, he is within you. And once you realize that Bhagavan is with you, he is Asannaya. But when you forget about him, he is Suduraya. You don't think of him, you think that all problems are coming to me only, God is not helping me, he is somewhere. But when you realize that Atma is within your Atma, Atma and Paramatma is same, he is within you. So have the faith that he is within you. Asannaya, Suduraya, Guptaya. He is not seen to the common eyes. Prakatatmane. But he will be appearing. How? In the form of a helping hand. Sometimes all of a sudden somebody will come and help you. You will tell him, Arey, you came like a God and helped me. Because you didn't expect help from him, but help comes from him. Sometimes help comes like that. Once you have faith in him. So then he Prakatatmane. He does appear like that. All of a sudden. When you have faith on him and when he wants to help you. And Sulabhaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You put a glass of water on him, he will do anything you want. Sulabhaya. Ati Sulabhaya. He is very easily attainable God. Sulabhaya. And Ati Durgaya. But if you behave adharma karyas, he will never spare you. He will give you all the punishment. Ati Durgaya too. Just like Durga will behave. Chitraya. Like this, he is Ati Chitraya. Namaha. Shambhave. Shambhu. That Shambhu, Shambhava. Alanti Shambhudu Namaskaram. So this is fourth. All are Chaturdhi Bhakti. All are Chaturdhi Bhakti. Asannaya, Asannaha. He is Asannaha. Asannaya is Chaturdhi Bhakti Padam. Ramaha, Ramaya. For Rama. For Asannaya. For the Shiva who is Asannaya. For the Shiva who is Suduraya. That is also Chaturdhi. For Shiva who is Guptaya. For the Shiva who is Prakatatmane. Atman Shabdam Chaturdhi Bhakti. Atmane. Akaranta Shabdam Guptaya. Aya. Rama Ramaya. Asannaha Asannaya. Suduraha Suduraya. Guptaha Guptaya. Prakatatmana. Prakatatman. Prakatatman. Prakatatma. Prakatatmane. Prakatatma Shabdam. Atma Shabdam. Nakaranta Shabdam. For that Chaturdhi Bhakti is Atmane. For Nakaranta Shabdam Chaturdhi Bhakti is Atmane. So Prakatatmane. Then Sulabhaha. Sulabhaha. Sulabhaya. Ati Durgaha. Ati Durgaya. Chitraha. Chitraya. Shambhava. Shambhuhu. Shambhuhu. Shambhave. For Ukaran Shabdam, Ve. Shambhave will come. So, all these padas, Asannaya, Suduraya, Guptaya, Prakatatmane, Sulabhaya, Ati Durgaya, Chitraya, Shambhave. All the names of Shiva in Chaturdhi Bhakti for Shiva. It becomes the meaning of all these things is equal to for Shiva. For Shiva, what you are giving? Namaha. So when once you use Namaha, for whom you are giving Namaha, that Shabdam should be in Chaturthi Bhakti. That is the Vyakaranam point in this lokam. Okay? Asannaya, Suduraya, Guptaya, Prakatatmane, Sulabhayati Durgaya, Namaschitraya, Namaha plus Chitraya, Namaschitraya. That is Sandhi there, Visarga Sandhi. Namaha plus Chitraya, Namaschitraya. That Visarga becomes Sakara. Namaschitraya, Namas plus Chitraya, Namaschitraya, Shambhave. So this is the next this lokam. Next comes Samskrita Vangmaya Parichaya. In Samskrita Vangmaya Parichayam, we have Upanishad. These Upanishads are there, about 100,000. We have learned Vedas, Upanishads, and till now, and Vedangas also, and Darshanas also. Now we get a picture of Rama. We get a total picture of our ancestors' ideals and beliefs through Ramayana and Mahabharata. So how our ancestors lived in this country, we will get from the Ramayana Mahabharata, which are the Itihasas. Itihasas means Itihasaha. Ee vidhanga jarigindi. Like this happened. So who are the people who ruled our country, how they lived, how the people lived. The socio-political system of our country is well known from Ramayana and Mahabharata. They are not just mythological stories. They are the reflections of they are mirrors of our social life in this country from millions of years. How the people lived, what is the way they are living, what type of rules they have followed, how the kings were there, how they ruled, how the ministers were there, how they ruled. All these things. What are the plots? What are the war plots? What are the types of friendships? What is the dharma? What is not dharma? Which is to be followed? Which is not followed? Every character in those Itihasas shall give you an example of particular dharma. If Ramayana, if you take now, it will take Ramayana. If you take Ramayana, written by Adikavi Valmiki, Adikavi Valmiki has written Ramayana, that gives various characters how they behaved. Every character in Ramayana is true follower of dharma applicable to him. A king behaves like a king and follows his dharma. And a subject follows his dharma as subject. A brother follows his dharma as a brother. A wife follows her dharma as her wife. As Sevaka, Hanuman follows as Sevaka, as Dasa, what he is supposed to behave. Sugriva has been a friend, how he should behave, he will behave like that. Like that, Ravana as a Rakshasa, how he behaves. As a Rakshasa, Rakshasa dharma he follows. So like that, Maricha dharma he follows, Rakshasa dharma he follows. And he behaves, though he is knowledgeable, known about Rama, he behaves as Rakshasa only because he is Rakshasa as such. But he knows Rama is Vigrahavan Dharma. He knows that. But still, he has to obey his king, Ravana. So he has obeyed his Ravana and went to die in the hands of Rama, Maricha. So like that, every character in Ramayana, if you see, Bharata has followed his brother of the dharma of younger brother. Sumanta has followed the dharma of minister and as well as Rathatarathi. Nowhere you find a character not behaved as per his dharma. Every character lives for his dharma. That is the beauty of Ramayana. That's why Ramayana is, even now, that is known in the world, in the country. And people respect Ramayana and Rama, even today. That is the reason why. Why they are being, not that he is tall man, he is a warrior, not like that. Because they have shown the path to the public, how they should behave in all different times of a samsara. And that's what they have shown in practice. Either Sita or Rama or Lakshmana or Bharata or Anjaneya or Sugriva or Ravana. So Rama, Bharata, Anjaneya and Sita are examples for us as such. And they have lived to their things of following father's word, Satyam Vada, and brotherly affection by Bharata, devotion towards mother, and towards mother, and devotion towards husband from Sita, and other people, as I told just now. And Ramayana has become a mini source for many other subsequent stories later. Very many stories were written based on Ramayana. And similarly, Mahabharata also. So Ramayana, one thing is there. Yanti Nyaya Pravuttasya Tiryanchopi Sahayatam. Yanti Nyaya Pravuttasya, who behaves as per Nyayam, who behaves as per Dharma. Yanti moves, goes. The person who goes as per Nyaya Pravrutti, Dharma Pravrutti, Tiryancha. Tiryancha ante the living beings which has got flat back, horizontal back to the ground. They are called Tiryanchopi. Means what? All animals, birds, etc. These things are horizontal to the ground. We are vertical to the ground. Tiryancha the Pasupakshadulu Tiryancha. Pasupakshadulu. They are called Tiryancha. Tiryancha api. They are also Sahayatam. They will all help. So Rama took help from Vanaras and Pakshis, Jatayu, Sampati, and like Pakshis, birds. And then, and Vanaras like Jambavan, Hanuman, Sugriva, all these people. So they all helped him in his pursuit to get Sita. So Yanti Nyaya Pravuttasya Tiriyan Chopi Sahayatam. Everybody will help that person who is following Dharma. So follow Dharma. That is main dictum. So apanthanantu gacchantam. Pantha means margam. Apantha means wrong margam. The person who is going in wrong margam. Gacchantam means going. Apanthanantu gacchantam. The person who is going in wrong margam. Sodaropi vimunchati. Sodara also, even own brother also will leave. If you are in wrong margam, if you are in wrong line, the own brother who is supposed to stay with you in all your difficulties, he will also leave because you are not following Dharma. So that is not adharma as far as Vibhishana is concerned. Vibhishana left Ravana because Ravana was not following Dharma. And he is not hearing him. He was telling Dharma to him, he was not hearing. So he had to leave to protect Dharma. So Dharma overtakes all other relations in the world. So Dharma is important, not other things. That's what shown by Vibhishana in his leaving his brother and getting shelter under Rama. So that cannot be considered as adharma as far as Vibhishana is concerned. So like this, the Ramayana is a model example and a guidebook to humanity in the large. Not only Bharat country, any country for that matter. So it cannot be considered as a religious book. It should be considered as a rule book for happy living. And not only that, the whole geography is there in that. The whole politics is there in that. How to rule the country as told by Rama to Bharata when he met at Chitrakutam. Lakshmana told to Rama at the time of banishing Rama to worlds that Adharma is doing, Dasharatha is doing Adharma, and people and I will not keep quiet. Even Raja is so great person, I don't mind. I will go and fight with him. Give me order. He says Rama, he asks Rama. Lakshmana asks Rama, please give me order. I will go and kill Dasharatha. He is doing mischief. He is doing Adharma. He is not supposed to do that. When Adharma is there, people should not keep quiet. But we are all keeping quiet in our country now. See, he says, Lakshmana says, in those days itself, when Raja, whatever good he is, if he goes out of Dharma, he should not be spared. And people will not spare him. People are all waiting outside. That's what Lakshmana says to Rama. People are all waiting outside for this Adharma. So please give me order. I will lead them and see how other Dasharatha will not accept this. We'll do this. And Rama says, Satcham Vada is more important. The Satya Pravartana is very important. And Ikshvaku Vansha kings are known for protecting Satyam Vada, the Veda dictum. So Veda dictum is Satyam Vada, and Dasharatha is following that. So we cannot do anything now except making him not following that. Once you not below obeying him means you are making him not following Satyam Vada. So we are getting bad name for ourselves. So don't do that. We'll obey what he is supposed to say, what he has said, what Dasharatha told. He is helpless. Nothing is in his hands. It is destiny that is happening all this. Neither Kaikeyi nor Dasharatha are responsible for all these things, and destiny is taking the control of the whole thing. That's what Rama told to Lakshmana. And at the same time, when Ravana asked Kumbhakarna to fight, Kumbhakarna tells, you are done a mischief, you are done adharma, and you are trying to fight now for adharma, and you will you are going to die, you are going to lose all your these things. And you do not realize even today that he is Mahavishnu. Rama is Mahavishnu. Then Ravana asks him whether you are want to fight or want to go away. Then Kumbhakarna gives him for 15 slokas, he tells him what is the dharma, what he is supposed to do as a good king. And then he goes away for fighting. Because I am younger brother of you, I am supposed to obey you, I will obey you. As a Rakshasa, as a brother, I will obey you and prepare to die. Don't mind. I will go and die for you. He said and went for a fight. He knows that he is going to die at the hands of Rama. He realized that Rama is Mahavishnu. But he didn't realize. Ravana did not. His ego is above Kumbhakarna's ego. So that's how every character has lived to this thing in Ramayana. Okay? That's what is Ramayana story here. So please read this. You will understand nothing great there. More than this. The next katha. Kushalaha Vruddhaha. Kushalaha Vruddhaha. Now, I told you how to make the sentence, how to understand a sentence. First, you have to see what is Kriya there in that. Any sentence. Every sentence, you have to see what is the Kriya there. And then put questions. Who did that work? That is Karta. And on whom that work is done? That is Karma. So that's how Karta, Karma, Kriya is the sentence. So we know a Kartani Prayoga Vakyam will be made with Karta, Karma and Kriya. And Kriya follows Karta. That we know. Karta is Pradhan Sabdam, main Sabdam Karta in Kartani Prayoga Vakyam. So every Vakyam you will get here, Kartani Prayoga Vakyams you will get here mostly. And you will find who is Karta, who is Kriya, what is Kriya, what is Karma, all those things. So Ekaha Vruddhaha Asit. Asit is Karta here, Kriya here. Asit was there. Kaha Asit, who was there? Kaha Asit, Vruddhaha Asit. Kaha Asit, Vruddhaha Asit. Kati Vruddhaha Asit, Asan. How many Vruddhas were there? Ekaha Vruddhaha Asit. Ekaha Vruddhaha. Vruddhaha Pullingam, Ekaha Pullingam. Ekaha Vruddhaha Asit. Astu. Saha Chuditaha Abhavat. Chaha Chuditaha Abhavat. Kaha Chuditaha Abhavat? Vruddhaha. Vruddhaha Chuditaha Abhavat. Chuditaha Abhavat. Kakaha Kim Abhavat? Trishitaha Abhavat. Kakaki Daha Vesindi. వృద్ధుడికి వృద్ధికి ఏమొచ్చింది? క్షుదిత మీన్స్ ఆకలి వేసింది. హంగరీ. He was hungry. So క్షుదిత means hunger. So he has become క్షుదితః కః? క్షుదితః వృద్ధః. సహ వృద్ధः క్షుదితः అభవత్. అభవత్ భూతకాలం. భవతి వర్తమానకాలం. అభవత్ భూతకాలం. Bhavati, Tikaranta. Abhavat, At is the Bhutakalam. We learned just now. So A plus Bhav plus At. Abhavat. Tata. Samipe. nearby. Samipe means nearby. Nearby, ekah amravrukshaha asit. Asit means was there, was. Amravrukshaha was there. Ekah amravrukshaha asit. Kutra asit? Samipe, nearby to him. Samipe ekah amravrukshaha. What is amravrukshaha? Vrikshaha means tree. Amravrukshaha,
Mango.
amra means mango, mango tree. Amravrukshaha, mango tree. Amravrukshaha asit. A mango tree was there nearby. Vruddhaha amravrukshyasya samipam. Kasya samipam? Whose samipam? He has gone to whose samipam? Agachat. Vruddhaha amravrukshyasya samipam agachat. Samipam agachat. Nearby went. Agachat means went. Gachati, agachat. Gachati means vartamana kalam. Velutunnadu, he is going. Agachat means he went. Agachat means went. Gachati means going, he is going. Agachat means he went. Who went? Kaha agachat? Vruddhaha agachat. Kutra agachat? Samipam agachat. Kasya samipam? Amravrukshyasya samipam. Amravrukshyasya samipam agachat. Kaha agachat? Vruddhaha agachat. He went to nearby mango tree. Vrukshe, in the tree. Vruksham, vrukshaha, vrukshe. Vrukshaha, vrukshamo. Vrukshe, in the tree. In the tree, bahuni phalani apasyat. Apasyat. Again, bhutakalam. Pasyati, vartamana kalam. Apasyat, bhutakalam. Pasyati, remove ti and put at. Before put a. Apasyat. Apasyat is bhutakalam. So he saw. Apasyat means saw. Pasyati means see. Apasyat means saw. He saw. What he saw? Phalani. Kaha. Kutra apasyat? Vrukshe. Kani apasyat? Kani. వేటిని చూశాడు? Which he has seen? Phalani. Kati phalani? Kati, how many? Bahuni. Bahuni phalani apasyat. Kati phalani apasyat? Bahuni phalani apasyat. Kaha apasyat? Vruddhaha. Kutra apasyat? Vrukshe. Astu. Saha achintayat. Saha kaha? Saha vruddhaha. Saha vruddhaha achintayat. ఆ వృద్ధుడు చూశాడు, ఆలోచించాడు. అచింతయత్. చింతయతి, అచింతయత్. చింతయతి వర్తమాన కాలం. అచింతయత్ భూతకాలం. చింతయతి తికారాంతం. అచింతయత్ అత్త అంతే అండ్. సో he thought in his mind. సహ అచింతయత్. కిం అచింతయత్? What he thought in his mind? Aham vruddhaha. Aham vruddhaha. I am old man. Aham vruddhaha. Mama sharire. Mama means aham shabdasya shashti vibhakti. Na yokka, my. Aham is I. Mama means my. Sharire, body. In my body. Sharire means in body. Sharire means in the body. Mama sharire means in my body. In my body, shaktihi nasti. Nasti. Kim nasti? Shaktihi nasti. Kutra sharire. Kasya sharire? Mama sharire. Mama sharire shaktihi nasti. Vrukshaha unnataha asti. Asti. Kimasti? Kahasti? Kahasti. Vrukshaha pulling shabdam. So kahasti? Vrukshaha asti. Kathamasti? Vrukshaha kathamasti. How it is? Unnataha asti. Very tall. मम शरीरे शक्तिः नास्ति. अहं वृद्धः. मम शरीरे शक्तिः नास्ति. आम्रवृक्षः उन्नतः अस्ति. Very tall tree. So कथम् उपरि गच्छामि? How can I go up? Upari means up. Gachami means aham gachami. How can I go? How can I go? Katham means how. How can I go? Katham upari gachami. Katham phalam Prapnomi. How can I possess? Prapnomi means possess. How can I possess? Phalam. Phalam means fruit. Katham, how? How can I get the fruit? Iti. Iti means ee vidhanga, like this. Like this, saha achintayat. So, vruddhaha kim achintayat? Vruddhaha mama sharire shaktihi nasti. Vrukshaha unnataha asti. Katham upari gacchami. Katham upari gacchami. Katham phalam prapnomi. Iti. So, all this direct speech, indirect, inverted commas. Then iti is to be added when you talk about direct speech. Vrukshasya upari vanaraha asan. Asti asit asan. Asit ekavachanam. Asan bahuvachanam. Vartamana kalam asti santi. Asti is there, santi are there. Asti santi. For asti bhutakalam is asit. For santi bhutakalam is asan. Asit asan. Is there, one person was there, many persons were there, like that. So asit asan. Asan is what? Bhutakala kriya. Asan. Ke asan. Who were there? Vanaraha asan. Ke asan. Vanaraha. Vanaraha shabdasya vanaraha hoti monkey kapihi. Vanara shabdasya bahuvachan vanaraha. Balaha balaha. Ramaha ramaha. Vanaraha vanaraha. So vanaraha asan. Vanaraha unnai. Monkeys were there. Monkeys were there. Putra upari. Upari were there. There were monkeys on the tree. Vrukshasya upari. Kasya upari. Vrukshasya upari. Kasya upari. On whose upari vanaras were there. Vrukshasya upari. Vruksha shabdam sashti vibhakti. Vrukshasya. Vrukshaha vrukshasya. Vrukshasya upari vanaraha asan. Vruddhaha ekam upayam akarot. Akarot. He did. Akarot is bhuvachanam for karoti. Karoti, vartamana kalam. Akarot, bhutakala. Karoti, ati remove and put at. Akarot. He did. What he did? Upayam. Idea. Ekam upayam. One idea. One idea he had. Who kaha akarot? Vruddha. Kim akarot? Upayam akarot. Kati upayani? Ekam. Ekam upayam akarot. Ekam upayam akarot. Saha pashana kandhan svikritya. Pashana kandhan. Pashana means stone. Khandan means piece. Khandaha means pieces. Pashana khandas means stone pieces. Pashana khandan means the stone pieces. Pashana khandamulanu. Ditya bhakti bahuvachanam. Ramaha ramau ramaha. Ramam ramau raman. Pashana khandaha. Pashana khandau. Pashana khandan. Oka rai, one stone, two stones, many stones. Pashana khandam, the stone. Pashana khandau, the two stones. Pashana khandan, the many stones. So many stones, the many stones, svikritya, after taking, he has taken those stones in his hand. Which are achipat, chipati, vartamanakal, throwing. Throwing is chipati, throws. Achipat means threw. You shooted it. He shooted the stones. Saha, what he shooted? Kan achipat, pashana kandan achipat. Kaha kau ke, kam kau kan. Prashnavacham. Kan achipat, pashana kandan achipat. The prashna also should be in the same vibhakti. You have to get the answer, pashana kandan. What he has thrown, pashana khandan he has thrown. To say what he has thrown, what shabdam, what you have to use? Pullinga shabdam, ditya bhakti, bahuvachanam you have to use. Pullinga Shabdam is what? Kim Shabdam? Kaha. Kaha, Ditya Bhakti Bahuvachanam is Kan. Kaha Kauke, Kam Kaukan. Kaha Kauke, Pradama Bhakti Rupam. Kam Kaukan, Ditya Bhakti Rupam. So this Prashnavachakam Ditya Bhakti Rupam is for Ditya Bhakti Bahuvachanam Kan. Kan Akshipat. What he has thrown, answer for Kan is Pashana Khandan. Pashana Khandan Akshipat. He has thrown the Pashana Khandas. He has thrown the stone pieces. Pashana Khandan. So, appademaindi. Then what happened then? Vanaraha kupitaha abhavan. Bhavati, bhavanti, abhavan. Bhavanti, ainaru. Abhavan, ainavi. Bhavati means unnaru ani. Abhavan ante undiri. Ela undiri? How they were there? Vanaraha kupitaha. Kupita means krodham, anger. They got anger. When Vruddha is told, shooted the stones, Vandas have become angry. So Vandas normally they got a habit to repeat what you do. You do one bit and the same thing they will repeat to you. So thinking this, he has thrown the stones. Then Vandas, what is expected from Vanara? To throw the mangoes. Because mangoes are nearby available in their hands. So what Vanras did? Te phalani akshipan. What they akshipan? Vruddhaha silakhandan akshipan, pashana khandan akshipan, and Vanaraha phalani akshipan. They threw the fruits. Vruddhaha tani phalani, those fruits. Tani phalani, tat te tani, tat, that one, tani, those phalani, those fruits, svikritya, after taking, santoshena, with santosham. Santosham, santoshena. Santoshena means Tritiya Bhakti. Santoshena, with santosham. Akhadat. Khadati, akhadat. Khadati, Vartamana Kalam. Akhadat, Bhutakalam. He ate. Tinenu, he ate. So, Tani phalani svikritya, santoshena akhadat. So, what is the story now? Ekaha vruddhaha asit, saha kshuditaha abhavat, समीपे एकः आम्रवृक्षः आसीत् वृद्धः आम्रवृक्षस्य समीपम् अगच्छत् वृक्षे बहूनि फलानि अपश्यत् सः अचिन्तयत् अहं वृद्धः मम शरीरे शक्तिः नास्ति वृक्षः उन्नतः अस्ति कथम् उपरि गच्छामि कथं फलं प्राप्नोमि इति वृक्षस्य उपरि वानराः आसन् वृद्धः एकम् उपायम् अकरोत् सः वृक्ष पाषाणखण्डान् स्वीकृत्य अक्षिपत् वानराः कुपिताः अभवन् ते फलानि अक्षिपन् वृद्धः तानि फलानि स्वीकृत्य सन्तोषेण अखादत्. So this is the way you should understand the katha. That's how you will learn Sanskritam, how to read and understand a story. If you start reading the Chandamama stories in Sanskritam, it's available online. Chandamama in Sanskritam, if you type Chandamama online, Sanskritam online, YouTube or somewhere, if you type Chandamama, you get in Google, you type, you get the Chandamama website. In Chandamama website, you get all the stories of Chandamama in Sanskritam. Start reading the Chandamama stories, you will develop your Sanskritam. In Sanskritam. Don't take other languages. Take Chandamama stories in Sanskritam from the internet. Nowadays, everything is available on the internet. You don't need to spend money also. You have to spend only your time, that's all. And you have to have willingness to learn. If you have willingness to learn, there is 100 methods to learn Sanskritam online today, nowadays. So I already posted some videos to you. And there are series of videos in those websites, in those links which I sent to you. See all those videos. You'll definitely get the knowledge. You don't need to fear of Sanskritam. All those Rashtriya Sanskritam videos, all these SUBC videos, you please see them. Not once, twice, thrice, fourth, depending on your capacity to observe. If some people may observe within a day, with one shot. Some people may observe after hearing twice. So like that, number of times you see till you get the knowledge. That's how you develop the knowledge. Not necessarily to hear my class also. You hear those videos, then also you will get the knowledge how to speak, how to understand the Sanskritam. So, Taha Kshuditaha Abhavat. Kaha Kshuditaha Abhavat? Vruddha Kshuditaha Abhavat. Vruddha is answer. For Kaha, in this question, what is the question of Prashnavachakam? Kaha. So, Kaha is Vruddha. Vruddha Vrukshe Kani Apasat Kani Phalani Apasat. Amra Phalani Apasat. Saha Kim Achintayat. Vruddha Achintayat. Aham Vruddha. मम शरीरे शक्तिः नास्ति वृक्षः उन्नतः अस्ति कथम् उपरि गच्छामि कथं फलं प्राप्नोमि इति दैट इज आंसर फॉर कः सः किम् अचिन्तयत् नेक्स्ट वानराः कानि अक्षिपन् वानरास् ఏమితో పంపించారు వానరాः ఫలాని అక్షిపన్ వానరాः కాని అక్షిపన్ వానరాः ఫలాని Akshipan. What is the answer for Kani? Phalani. You don't need to fear for exam, and this will be like this only. There will be a question like this. Vanaraha Kani Akshipan. The answer will be Phalani, Silakhandan, or Amra Uksha, Amra Patta, Amra, some other thing. Silakhandan or Pashana Khandan. Something else. 4 will be there. You have to tick 1. Such a simple examination will be there. You don't need to worry on these things. So, Vanarah Kani Akshipan, one answer will be Phalani. One answer will be Silakhandan. Another answer will be Pashana Khandan. Another answer will be something else, which is not correct. Phalani is correct. Amra Phalani is correct answer. So, Amra Phalani tick. That's the answer is right. So, like that, objective way of examination will be there. Next, Samskrita Vyavaharaha. Balakaha asti. There is a boy. Balakaha santi. Asti ekavachanam, santi bahuvachanam. There are boys. You will do more exercises. Asti shabdasya bahuvachanam kim? Question. Answer will be santi. Asan, asit, like that, 4 will be there. So, astik bahuvachanam santi. That's what the answer. Ramaha shabdasya, end syllable, kim. What is the end syllable of Rama? Akarantam, a, e, u, ru. 4 will be there. What is end of Rama? A. That is end syllable. A. Rama end is A is there. That is another question, another type of exam question. These type of questions will be there. That's all. So now we were learning Prashnavachakas, right? We were learning Kim Shabdam, we learned one Prashnavachakam. Now Kati is being told now. Kati, how many? To say how many, Nagare Dasha Devalayaha Santi. How to make the question here? You remove Dasha and put Kati there. That's all. Nagare Kati Devalayaha Santi. Next. Tatra Vimshatihi Kadali Phalani Santi. What is the question for this? Tatra Kati Kadali Phalani Santi. Question. Remove Phalani Vimshatihi and put question. Kati and put Kati there. That's all question for this. Then Vidyalaye Shatam Chhatraha Santi. How to make question for this? Vidyalaye Kati Chhatraha Santi. Remove Shatam and put Kati there. Kati Chhatraha Santi. That's all. So simple. What is the answer in the required? There you put Kati. Gruhe pancha prakoshtaha santi. Prakoshta means rooms. How many rooms are there? Gruhe pancha prakoshtaha santi. To say how many, what you say? Gruhe kati prakoshtaha santi. Kati. Remove pancha and put kati there. Similarly, mukhe dvatrimshat dantaha santi. In mouth, how many teeth are there? 32. So remove dvatrimshat. Dvatrimshat means 32. Put kati there. Mukhe kati dantaha santi. Rukshe panchadesha phalani santi. Rukshe kati phalani santi. Rugnalaye panchashat rugnaha santi. Rugna means patients. How many patients are there in Rugnalaya means Vaidya hospital. In hospital, how many patients are there? Panchadasha. Panchashat. Panchashat means 50. What is the question here for this? Rugnalaye kati rugnaha santi. Question. Remove the line and put question mark there. Tasyaha samipe. Tasyaha samipe. With her. With her, chatvarimshat satikaha santi. That lady is having 40 saris. Chatvarimshat. Chatvarimshat satikaha santi. So, what is the question for this? Tasyaha samipe kati satikaha santi. Bhagavad Gitayam ashtadasha adhyayaha santi. So, what is the question for this here? Ashtadasha is to be removed. Bhagavad Gitayam kati adhyayaha santi. Next, Aranye Sashti Gajaha Santi. In forest, there are 60 elephants. What is the question here? Aranye Kati Gajaha Santi. Remove Shashti and put Kati there. That's all. Such a simple. How to use Kati? Which number you want, that number you use, put Kati. That's all. Instead of number, you put Kati. And if Kati question comes, remove that Kati, put the number. That's all. If the question comes to you with Kati, the answer will be remove Kati and put the answer there. Number. That number you put there. How many of that number? Answer. That's all. That's such a simple thing. So what is hard in this? Nothing hard in this to understand. Provided you give the presence of mind on that. That's all. So now, Abhyasam. Chatvaraha Vedaha Santi. Kati Vedaha Santi? Question. Gayakaha Dasha Gitani Gayanti. Gayakaha Kati Gitani Gayati? Next. Vimshati Balakaha Apatan. Kati Balakaha Apatan? Shatam Sainikaha Abhavan. Adhavan. Kati Sainikaha Adhavan? Tatra Panchadasha Vrukshaha Santi. Kati Vruksha. Tatra Kati Vrukshaha Santi? That's all. Now, last is Subhashitam. Any doubts up to this? Katha and this Kati. Katha and Kati. Two subjects we are discussing. And some slokas also we discussed. Any doubts up to this?
గురుగారు దీని డౌట్ కాదండి. ఆ కథలో దట్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ స్టోరీలో అక్కడ కథం ఉపరి గచ్చామి కథం రాశారు, మా ఉంటుంది. ఇంకో అది పక్క లైన్లో కథం కా పెట్టి థా పైన పెట్టి ఆమ్ పెట్టారు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ కథం?
That one will come in next lesson.
Okay.
But I will tell now itself because you asked that question, let us finish that. So, when Anuswaram is there in a word, Katham, Anuswaram should be there actually. The dot should be there. But when the next word starts with an vowel, then dot should be not written. You should write Makaram. So, Katham Upari Gachami, when it is written, the next word is starting with an vowel. Vo, Uka, Upari. Since Upari Vu is there, Katham dot becomes Makaram there. Katham Upari Gachami. But when Next sentence is Katham Phalam Prapnomi. After Katham, what is the word is there now? Not vowel this time. Vyanjanam is there. Consonant is there. When consonant is there, you have to put dot on.
Okay.
This is the rule.
Thank you.
This is called Lekhana Niyama. Very important. Very, very important. This will come regularly for you in writing. Sometimes you get the next word vowel. Sometimes you get next word consonant. So sometimes you may have to write for the same sabdam, makaram. Sometimes for the same word you have to write dot.
Okay.
So that variation has to be shown. Why this is required is when a vowel is there, the next sandhi is possible between these two. That's why makaram is written. So makaram, that vowel joins and becomes a sandhi. That's the reason. Though the reason is not told in the book, but that is the reason. Keep that in mind.
Yeah.
So when vowel is there next, the previous anuswaram should be makaram. Halantam makaram. That's called halantam. Makara halantam is to be written. Then subhashtam. Subhashtam is very important subhashtam. Just like other subhashtas. Just like I consider that Ujjoganam Purusha Sima Upaiti. Vishnu Ujjogan gal. Ujjamena Siddhanti Karyani Namanoradai. Just like that, this is also very important slokam, having a lot of meaning. Sadayam Hurdayam Yasya. Sadayam means Karuna, empathy. Whose Hurdayam? Yasya Hurdayam. Whose Hurdayam? Whose heart is full of empathy, full of Karuna. Sadayam Hurdayam Yasya. Whose heart is full of Karuna, whose heart is full of empathy. Bhashitam Satya Bhushitam. Bhashitam means talking. Satya Bhushitam. It is decorated with truth. That means truth by speaking truth. Bhashitam Satya Bhushitam. Whose Bhashitam, whose talk is full of truth. He doesn't say any untruth. He will always say truth. His heart is full of karuna. He always says truth. He gives importance for truth. Kayaha parahite asya. Kayaha means shariram. His shariram always tries to help somebody else. He uses his body to help somebody else. Kayaha parahite yasya. Itarla hitam kosame kayanni panchestundi. His body works always for others' help, to help others. Kayaha parahite yasya. Yasya kayaha parahite. Yasya hridayam sadayam. Yasya bhashitam satya bhushitam. Yasya means every yokka. Yasya means whose heart is full of empathy. Yasya bhashitam, whose walk, whose speaking is full of truth. Yasya kayaha, whose body always hankers to help somebody. Parahitam, to help somebody. Kalistasya karoti kim. Kali is abode of sin. Kali has come means sin has come to you. So how sin will come to you? Kalistasya, kalihi tasya karoti kim. If you don't have these things, Kali immediately enters in you. The Kali Purusha, the Papa Purusha, Kali Purusha is considered to be the Papa Purusha. The abode of sin is Kali. So once you have these three qualities in your mind, in your character, Kali can never touch you. The sin will never touch you. Kalistasya karoti kim, what he can do? How Papa Purusha can touch you? He cannot touch you at all. He will not become any time a sinful fellow. When once you have karuna in your heart, and once you speak truth only, and once always you try to help somebody else, with these three qualities, you can never able to commit sin. And these are the qualities of dharma. Satyam vada dharmanchara. Satyam vada dharmanchara. is the principle told in a slokam. That's all. You talk Satyam, you follow Dharma. Sadayam hridayam yasya bhashitam satyabhushitam kayah parahite yasya kalistasya karoti kim. The next 3 months Sanatana Dharma course is the gist of that is on this. What you are going to do by knowing all these shastras? You are supposed to have this character. The character building is Sanatana Dharma course. How to build up your character, how to know the correct things in various factors of the life. In simple way, this is the one. And this is the Mula Sutra. Satyam Vada Dharman Chara. These are the basic principles of Sanatana Dharma. And which leads to Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Next is, time is there. Oh, time is there. Next fifth lesson. Let us go to fifth lesson. Any doubts on fourth lesson or all 4 lessons? Any doubts on 4 lessons? People are reading very well, it seems, or not reading at all, because I'm not getting any doubts from anybody, either in the class or in the WhatsApp.
Mahodaya, one question,
Either
please.
they are having complete knowledge of the subject or they are not touching the subject at all.
Mahodaya, one question, please. Mahodaya, can you hear me, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Raise the question.
When we were talking about Atmanepadi, I have just one question, sir. Bhikshukaha bhiksham yachate. In the do we have a word saying yachati, or every time it is yachate only? Is it dependent
Yachate is Ubhayapadi.
on the verb?
Yachati Shabdam is Ubhayapadi. Yachate.
Ubhayapadi. Oh, okay.
That is Ubhayapadi. It can come in Yachati also, it can come Yachate also.
Okay.
Just like Pachati. Pachati, Pachate. Yachati, Yachate. Just like Kru Dhatu. Karoti, Kurute.
Okay.
They are
So,
all Ubhaypadis.
whichever is Atmanepadi, it has every time anywhere it comes only in that form only, right? It won't
In that
change
form
to
only.
other
In that form only it comes in Vartamana Kalam.
Okay.
In
This is
Vartamana Kalam it
yachate.
comes as a Achate. And in
Okay.
Bhutakalam it comes Ayachata.
Okay.
So that root is different. Atmanepadi root, how it comes in various columns is different. Parasnavadi, how it comes is different in various columns, various times. Bhutakalam,
Okay.
Vartamana Kalam, Bhavishit Kalam. That comes in a different way. This comes in a different way.
Okay.
In Vartamana Kalam, it comes with te. Bhashate. Vahate. Sahate. Like that.
Okay.
Yachate. Vandate. And when it goes to Bhutakalam, Avandata, Ayachata, Aikshata, like that.
Okay. Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Good question. Any other doubt? No other doubt? Let's go to Panchama Pataha, Suktihi. Arabdham Uttama Janaha Na Parichajanti. Kshanashah Kanasashchaiva Vidyamardhancha Sadayet. These are all the development of the conduct and character of the people, persons. Third is Sotsahanam Nastasajyam Naranam. Fourth is Sotsaha. Fourth one is Ujjoginam Purusha Simham Apaiti Lakshmi. And fifth one, what is fifth one now? Fifth one, Sukti is Kriya Siddhi. Kriya Siddhi. Kriya means work. Siddhi means Phalitam. Kriya Siddhi, the fruit of the Kriya, the fruit of the work. Kriya Siddhi, Sattve Bhavati, with its capacity. With capacity, Sattve Bhavati. Mahatam, Mahatmulaku. Nopakarane, na upakarane. Upakaranaల వల్ల కాదు. The very important principle even for management. Any project, any plant, if there is no technology, what is the plant you can get? Nothing. The skill and technology is very important factor for any plant, right? Without skill and without technology, what you can make? Nothing you can make. Only the lathe machines and workshops, without having proper skilled persons and skilled knowledge and skilled material and how to do the process rules. Without knowing those rules, how can you produce anything from the factory of lathe machines or any other machines which you have, or any reactors and all those things you have? Very, very big machines you buy and keep it. Compressors, reactors, this thing, that thing, so many things you buy and keep a big machine, big factory you construct. But there is no technology how to do it. You don't have the skilled people to do it. You don't have the people who tell the procedure, how to operate the machines. What type of raw material is to be used. There are no people to say that. There is no project work. There is no project report, how to do that job. That means there is no sattva, sattvam ledu. That sattvam is controlling everything. Without sattvam, a factory cannot run. Sattve bhavati, the kriya siddhi, the fruit, the phalitam, the end product will come by the real skill. A plumber can operate the tap properly. You and I cannot do without that tool. With only having the tool, you cannot do that. You may break it. We don't operate correctly. We don't have the skill to turn the tap this side or that side, you will break it. So a plumber has got that skill to do. So that is his mahatma. Similarly, electrician, he has got the knowledge of locating which is positive, which is negative, how to connect. That's why that is his skill. His mahatma, his sattvam. So any work, a fruit is controlled by its capacity. Similarly, a homam is there. For a homam, if you are doing a homam, what is required? Bricks are required, samhithas are required, all other things which you do, firing is required. Okay, they are all there. Can you do homam without a priest? Priest has also come. Okay, priest doesn't know how to do mantram, how to spell mantram. Can you do it? When the fruit will come? No. He has to chant mantram. So he knows mantram, how to chant. Another Purohit has come who can chant the mantram. And the mantram he chants correct, doesn't chant correctly. Wrongly he chants. Will the fruit come? Will the phalitam for homam will come? No. Then he chants, then we think that if the Purohit has come, we can chant correctly also. Then Yajamani is not there. A correct Yajamani who follows Nityagnihotra for doing any Srauta karma, which are required for rains and other things for the human importance. They are called Srauta karmas. For doing the Srauta karmas, the Yajamani should be Nityagnihotra. And he should have that capacity following right from the childhood. We should do Nityagnihotra right from his childhood. And he should marry in a young age. Sharada Chattam is filling the Brahmanatvam in the country. We are not realizing this. It should have been given exception for Brahmins, Veda Brahmins at least. For Veda Brahmins who follow Srauta karmas, they have to be allowed to marry at the young age. Because they are supposed to follow the rules of Agnihotra since from the 8 years. Wife and husband. Then only he is eligible to do a Srauta karma. And that Srauta karma, that man does, then only the Srauta karma will have fruits. Otherwise, you cannot get any phalitam. It will be waste of doing those Srota karmas. So these Srota karmas are to be done by such a Agnihotris. And how many Pandits are there nowadays? Hardly in handful of members are there all over India. We are running for those people. They are 80 years people, 90 years people are there now. We go after them, beg them and come and bring it. If you want to do some puja, some Srota karma like that, either in Tirupati Devasthanam or somewhere here and there, people do. They did Srota karmas for getting rain and etc. How they will happen? Because that type of person should sit there and do that job. That homo, that sattvam, that mahatvam, that nishtha, that niyamam, which he followed right from his childhood, only helps to get the fruit, to reach the mantram to the God. And that only will result give correct result. It's not by just having all sight of things and 100 people sitting there and pouring ghee into that will not give any result. They are also all required. They are all required. I don't say that they are not required. They are all required. But without this mahatvam, the real fruit will not come. It's only just normally doing it, that's all. For namesake. So these are the things which will understand what happened to our country, how we are following, how we are spoiling our systems, our culture, how that has been massacred all these 200 years. How our culture has been taken the backstage. This is to be understood properly. And what are the things to be done now for the to attend to that? At least Veda Pandit should be allowed to do marriage at the age of 8. Astavasa Kanya Bhavet Kanya. Kanya should be married at 8 age for Agnihotris. You should follow Agnihotri, Nitya Agnihotram throughout the life for that person. You and I may not be doing it. So that Nitya Agnihotris has to be again created in the country. Who will do this job? Nobody is bothering about this. So unless Richagnihotris are there, our mantras, rituals, everything is waste. So Kriya Siddhihi Sattve Bhavati. Mahatam. Nopakarane, na upakarana. ఉపకరణాల వల్ల ఏం కాదు. ఉపకరణాలు కూడా కావాలి, కానీ ఉపకరణాల వల్ల మాత్రమే కాదు. That real capacity of a person is required to do the job. Pustakam is there, person is there. If I don't have anything in my mind, what you will get from my book? Nothing. The person who is holding the book should be able to teach what is there in that. And to see how can I transfer to the person who is hearing it? What is the capacity of the person who is hearing that? Whether I am teaching as per the capacity of the person hearing or not. That also to be seen. Next. Praranardhaka Kriya. This is motivation. How to motivate a person. That's why this one is told here. Kriya Siddhi Matve Vratve Bhavati Mahatan Nopakarane. That prarana is required for us. How to save these things. So prarana is also Parasmepadi Kriya Padam we are talking now. First, Praranardhaka Kriya. Till now what we have learned? Vartamana Kala Kriya, Bhuta Kala Kriya. This Praranardhaka is nothing to do with Kalam actually. It is only a feeling, an association, a just start of motivation or order or a request. Praranardhaka, Agna, Prarthana. This type of Kriya is this. It is called imperative mode. It is called imperative mode in English. This again Madhyama Prathama Purusha, third person. Prathama Purusha means third person. Praranardhaka Kriya, Ekavachanam. Dhatu is Parasmepadi Dhatu, not Atmanepadi. So Balakaha Likhatu. How the pratyam may change now? Atu. What are the pratyam early used now? Vartamana kalam, ati. Bhuta kalam, at. Now, atu. Atu, once you use atu in Prathama Purusha, that is prerana. Cheyugaka. ఆ పని చేయుగాక, వాడు చేసేడు వాడు గాక అంటే చెయ్యాలి కదా అన్నట్టుగా అనమాట. చెయ్యి నాయన రిక్వెస్ట్, చెయ్యి ఆర్డర్. ఇమ్మీడియట్గా అదే, ది వే ఓన్లీ టోన్ చేంజెస్. వాడు చెయ్యుగాక, లెట్ దట్ పర్సన్ డూ, ఆర్ డూ యూ డూ ఇట్, ఆర్ ప్లీజ్ డూ ఇట్. ఆల్ ది త్రీ ది సేమ్ రూపం. ప్రేరణ, ఆజ్ఞ, అభ్యర్థన. బాలకః లిఖతు, బాలకః లిఖతు, బాలకః లిఖతు. All the three. So బాలకః లిఖతి means he is writing. బాలకః అలిఖత్, he wrote. బాలకః wrote. బాలకః లిఖతు, let him do that job. ప్రేరణ, he is motivating him to do that job, to do writing. బాలకః లిఖతు. సహ వహతు, సహ వహతు, వహ means carrying. సహ వహతు, let him carry the load. సహ వహతు. ఏషః ధావతు, let this man run. ఏషః ధావతు, let this person run. గాయకః గాయతు, let this గాయకః sing, గాయతు. సేవకః వస్త్రం ప్రక్షాళయతు, బాలా శ్లోకం పఠతు. అయం ప్రశ్నం పృచ్చతు. అయం మీన్స్ దిస్ పర్సన్ ప్రశ్నను, ది ప్రశ్న పృచ్చతు. Let him ask the question. బాలకః శ్లోకం పఠతు, let him read the lesson. సేవకః వస్త్రం ప్రక్షాళయతు, let the servant clean the cloth. Next, పితామహః కాశీం గచ్చతు, let grandfather go to Kasi. నటాః నృత్యంతు, ఇది బహువచనం. పరస్మైపది ధాతువు బహువచనం, ఆజ్ఞార్థకం, ప్రేరణార్థక క్రియ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ప్రేరణార్థక క్రియ. నటాః నృత్యంతు, నటః నృత్యతు, నటః నృత్యతు, నటాః నృత్యంతు. నృత్యంతి ఈజ్ వర్తమాన కాలం, అనృత్యన్ భూతకాలం, నృత్యంతు ప్రేరణార్థకం. సో భిక్షుకాః అటంతు, అటంతి, అటన్ ఆటన్ ప్లస్ అటంతు. నౌ వృషభ అటంతు, అటతి, అటత్ అండి, ఆటత్. వృషభాః చరంతు, అచరన్ భూతకాలం. చరంతి వర్తమాన కాలం, చరంతి, అచరన్, చరంతు. ఛాత్రాః ప్రశ్నం పృచ్చంతు, పృచ్చతి, పృచ్చంతి, అపృచ్చన్, పృచ్చంతు. పృచ్చంతి వర్తమాన కాలం, అపృచ్చన్ భూతకాలం, పృచ్చంతు ప్రేరణార్థకం. సర్వే గీతాం స్మరంతు, స్మరంతి, అస్మరన్, స్మరంతు. వైద్యాః ఔషధం యచ్చంతు, యచ్చంతి, అయచ్చత్, అయచ్చన్, యచ్చంతు. మహిళాః ఆభరణాన్ని పశ్యంతు, పశ్యంతి, అపశ్యన్, పశ్యంతు. ఇవన్నీ ప్రేరణార్థకం బహువచన వాక్యాస్. సో నౌ let us go to మధ్యమ పురుష. ప్రేరణార్థకం ఓన్లీ, పరస్మైపది ఓన్లీ. పరస్మైపది మధ్యమ పురుష. త్వం గచ్చ, త్వం ఉత్తిష్ట, త్వం క్షీరం పిబ. That no pratyam will be there. That's all. Only a will be there. Gach, gach is dhatu. Gach plus a. Uttisht plus a. Pib plus a. H plus a. Vand plus a. Vad plus a. Tam Satcham Vada. Vad plus a. Only a is there here for Madhyama Purusha. Yum vadata. Ata is there. So what was there in Vartamana Kalam for Madhyama Purusha Ekvachanam? Gachasi, Uttishtasi, Pibasi, Gachasi, Echasi, Vadasi. And then Bhutakalam, Agacha, Otishta, A plus Uttishta, Etishta, Apiva, Ayacha, like that are there. Avad, Avada, that is the Bhutakalam, Madhyama Purusha Ekvachanam. You remove A of Bhutakalam, that becomes Praranarthaka. Remove A and tell Madhyama Purusha. For Madhyama Purusha, remove A from Bhutakalam, that will become Praranarthakam. Similarly, Yum Vadata, Avadata was the Bhutakalam. You remove A, that becomes Praranarthakam. Yum Namata, Anamata was Bhutakalam. A you remove, that becomes Praranarthakam. Remove A in Madhyama Purusha Bhutakala Kriyas, that becomes Praranarthakam. That is the tip for you. Yum Vanam Gachata, Agachata was the Bhutakalam. Gachata is the Praranarthakam for Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Yum Devam Pasyata, Apasyata, Pasyata. Yum Vakyam Likata, Alikata, Likata. Like that. So this is the Madhyama Purusha. Then Uttama Purusha. Aham Gachani. So what is the Vartamana Kalam? Gachami. Gachami, Agacham, Gachani. Agacham was the Bhutakalam. Gachani is a Praranarthaka. So Ani is coming. Instead of Ani is coming. So Aham Patram Likhani. Ani has come. Ani comes in the Ekavachanam. Aham Patham Patani. Ani. Vayam Pibam. Vayam Pibam. Vayam comes. Ama comes. Vayam Prasnam Prichama. Vayam Geetam Gayama. Like that. Ama comes. Vayam Nagaram Gachama. Vayam Desham Rakshama. Vayam Gramam Pravishama. Vayam Durgunani Tejama. Now we go to Atmanepadi. How Atmanepadi behaves? Atmanepadi Praranarthakam. Prathama Purusha. Now time is over now. We'll stop here. We'll take next class. Om Sahana Om Vaitika Mantra Tisha Purana Indram Yamamata Riswana Mahu Vedantino Nirvachaniyamekam Yam Brahma Sabdena Viniddisanti Shaivayamisham Sevaitya Vochan Yam Vaishnava Vishnu Ritistuvanti Buddhastadarhanniti Bauddha Jaina Sasri Akaleti Chasikha Santa Shasteti Kechit Prakriti Kumaraha Swamiti Mateti Piteti Bhaktya Yam Prardhayante Jagadisitaram Sayekayeva Prabhuradvitiyaha Om Shanti 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 Om Sahavotu Sahanav Bhanaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Satyam Vada Dharman Chara Sarve Janaha Sukhno Bhavantu Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu Namaskaraha Punaha Agami Somavasare Milamaha Punaha Agami Somavasare Milamaha Punaha Milamaha
ధన్యవాదములండి.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుగారు.
Thank you so much. Now we will go for Prarthana. Jai Shri Garu.
స్వస్తి ప్రజాభ్యః పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేన మార్గేణ మహిం మహేషాః గోబ్రాహ్మణేభ్యశ్చ శుభమస్తు నిత్యం లోకాః సమస్తాః సుఖినో భవంతు కాలే వర్షతు పర్జన్యః పృథివీ సస్యశాలినీ దేశోऽयं క్షోభరహితో బ్రాహ్మణः సంతు నిర్భయాః अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम् सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान् मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त सन्मंगళాని సంతు స్వస్తి ధన్యవాదాలండి
ధన్యవాదములండి జయశ్రీ గారు. నౌ let us recite జనగణమన. చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद
जय हिंद जय हिंद जय श्री राम जय श्री राम.
ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టి